Hi everyone. Welcome to Phone Transformer, the channel where we show you how to make the most of your Android device. In this video, we will teach you how to make a free playlist on YouTube Music, the app that lets you listen to millions of songs and podcasts for free. To make a free playlist on YouTube Music, you will need to follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube Music app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store for free. Step 2. Tap on the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can access your downloads, subscriptions, history, and playlists. Step 3. Tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and select New Playlist. This will create a blank playlist that you can customize. Step 4. Give your playlist a name and description. You can also choose to make it public, private, or unlisted. Public playlists can be seen by anyone on YouTube Music. Private playlists can only be seen by you. And unlisted playlists can be seen by anyone who has the link. Step 5. Start adding songs by tapping the plus icon next to any track or album. You can also use the search bar to find songs by name, artist, genre, or mood. You can add as many songs as you want to your playlist. Step 6. Click on the pencil button at the top right corner to edit your playlist. Here you can rearrange tracks by dragging them up or down, and remove tracks by tapping the three dots icon. Step 7. Tap Save when you're done arranging your playlist. You can now enjoy your playlist anytime, anywhere, on your Android device. And that's how you make a free playlist on YouTube Music. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.